Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Uh, Kitty Chapter 2 has come out, so let's get right to this. They added audio, music, but this screen recorder cannot record audio from the computer. And this too, one player. It's like a private server. And look, and multiplayer. Okay, let's play. So without this map, so let's just make this done quick. Let's make it done quickly. E, okay, E. I press E. E. It's locked. Oi! Oh my god. That's some scary music. Maybe it's bot. Maybe it's booty. They had walking sounds and music, scary music too. I haven't got anything yet. What would this thing? What's this? No, nothing. And Q to drop. Are you serious? Oh. Can someone help me? Oh my god. Why do I feel like it's already up? The basement. E. Oh, you got the duck? Oh my god, I forgot about it! The secret ending. Okay. Oh. No more. I thought. Exit. Hick. Yes. What happened to that? Nothing. Skip. Let's get club. The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And I'm gonna get copyright. Mac. Woof woof. Luton. Wait, here's Pluton. Interference. Wait, what's the woof? Hey! Woof woof woof. Ah! Come. Pluton, activate the shield battery. There's someone inside. Whoa. What's happened? Where am I? Wait, where's Winky? No, I must go back. What will happen if I try back to the TV? It is off. I must have very set it up. Hi, it's Kitty. Wait a moment. He's asleep. I must get out of here as soon as possible. Whoa. Fool. And there's still no music and sound. I just realized. You must activate the control panel by activating this lever. You can gain access to the control system. It might be better like this. I absolutely have no idea what to do. Ah! Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Boink. Even with this new map, I cannot still find anything. But apparently I need a blue box to open that, or a blue paper thing. My hands are getting messy. The controls. Wait. Mind. I don't have a lockpick. But I thought I lockpicked earlier. E. One. I said E. E. Okay, what is this? Escape. No. What the hell is this thing? Now this thing is stuck in my kill. It's Q to drop. What is happening? Shift escape. Escape. Shift control. Escape. What is that? You cannot see it because it's in the other computer. Okay, now I'm stuck this like forever. Now where is it? Did I press something here? E? R, okay, R. R? R. Okay. What? Okay. R. Ah! Someone help us. Someone help us. Someone help us. Is that a... E. R. What does even R do? Or maybe it's your backpack? Your backpack is your thing? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, now someone help us! Yay! Am I just gonna be stuck here forever? Not knowing what's the ending? Why? Help us! Help us! Help us! Help us! We have been here for like a minute already. Somebody would be rescue us if this was map 1. Ah! Is there like a way to glitch out in Kitty in the cage like this? Shh. Wait a minute. There's a way to glitch out. Huh? Huh? Play. Oh, baby, what they got? What will be it? Let's get the 1B. Let's find our tools to start our adventure. Woof, woof.